Welcome to Rest, motherfuckers. We are on Rust in Peace, Mondays, 8-man max. Think we're going to be solo today. Pretty sure the rest of the team isn't going to be on just due to the fact that like people are busy and shit. But we're not going to let that stop us from being the greatest Rust player known to mankind, okay? It's not happening. I was wanting to build next to large, but it doesn't seem there's a... Unless I built there, droned stuff in. I think that could work. Like around this area, that could work. Yeah, but we might have people join us, we might not. Honestly, just it depends on the people, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna run it. Just got back from the wife's. I'm like 10 minutes, 15 minutes to be exact, late to wipe. So yeah, let's run it. Let's go crazy and let's win, boys. Right there, headshot. Headshot him again. I'm just too good with the sauce, bro. Weird, I need a new headset, boys. If you wanna fund me a new headset, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, so we've got 2 months. Hard, but not possible. I've just got to push out the best content I can. I've been literally playing Rust for ages now, trying to get a video for you guys going. So yeah, it is hard, but my dream is to be a content creator. It's in my bio on Discord. I've talked about it since I was younger. Like, this is the thing I want to do, and I know if I want to do it, I can't skip out. I can't just not do this. I've got to do it. So this is the third, well, I think it's like 5th Rust video I've done, but I'm actually editing them down as before. I just wasn't confident in my editing, so I just left it and hoped I got some advice, which I didn't. But you can't sit around and expect things to be handed to you, okay? Because if you do that, you won't get anywhere in life. Hit him once. Hit him again, he's dead. Oh! Oh my fucking god.
I'll share mine if you share yours.
He's not dead? Hey everyone, Editor Bald here. So at this point, the servers, Rust in Peace, their providers started suffering a bot attack, basically making the servers very, very laggy. I was getting kicked every 5 minutes. PvP wasn't great because it was delayed, and especially since I'm EU on a US server, there's already a bit of like lag. But there was also on from the attack, it was just making everything 10 times harder. So what I decided to do was call it a day on day one. I got a little base down and hopefully it stood the night. I woke up the next day, 8-man clan outside the base, in the cave next door, full compound. You'll see. If you're liking the video so far, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Like I said earlier, I'm trying to get 1,000 subs before the end of the year. Yeah, 2 months to go. I'm hoping we can do it. And yeah, I hope you all have a lovely, lovely day. Welcome back. After the little rage quit yesterday, I log back on, I've got a tier 2, spent 4k sulfur. Oh, on a tier 2. Base is up. I built up a shell a bit. But the clan next to us, yeah, a big tower, massive compound, not letting me farm. It's cooked. It's cooked. Very cooked. Yeah, this is skill. Guy number 1 of the 8-man clan. Been roof camping me all morning. Been trying to grub me while I'm building up the base. So, you know what I had to do. So for some reason my mic didn't record here, but basically
You haven't
what I
gotten
said
shit from
was
me,
I
I'll
told
tell you
him
that
why
right
I
now.
destroyed his TC, and he wasn't happy. From the entire recording, there's only a few times where this guy speaks, and he's the number one on the server as of right now with a 6.0 KD, 260 kills, and like 32 deaths. He's really good. He's got like 6k hours. Shout out to him because he is insane. But that just made it better to troll him. These two guys, Snoopy and Simon. Snoopy and Simon, they're the more normal people out of the group. Snoopy doesn't like he's weird a little bit. Doesn't like to stop talking. Simon, genuinely nice guy. Love talking to him. But yeah, they were asking me why I did what I did, and I just started saying second TC because I broke a second TC while I wasn't recording, and just said, "Oh yeah, wasn't me. Got paid to do it. It was someone else who told me to do it." And then they called me out for it, but I just kept with the story, you know. Yeah. Now after this, the server pretty much went. There was a little fight at airfield which I've got a clip of, but nothing content worthy really, apart from this final little bit. I got into an AK fight at airfield, met some guys who were about to leave the same day as me. We had a box of rockets put together. Decided to use them.
Did that hit? I'm down. Outside.
Where's he shooting from? Yeah.
I'm down deck. Let's take this bitch down. He's still aiming at me.
I just keep hitting him with bullshit. I don't even think they know where I'm shooting.
One of the two.
I think it might be on rock.
Killed one of them. I'm dead, Roo.
Who's shooting me?
I don't see him.
Now that is pretty much the video. We sent the box of rockets, they built up the tower back again because they're one of the most loaded groups on the server. However, it was a fun wipe. No hate to them. They were great sports. They were amazing people to PvP. Great to mess with. Sorry if this video hasn't been as much content worthy. I will be recording one next week and trying to push and just make better videos. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.